Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know, now you do. And today I have a haul for you. In fact, you're gonna get 2 hauls in a row most likely because I have a Penningtons haul now and I'm about to film a thrift haul. So hang on to your hats, there's gonna be a lot of hauling happening. So I went into Penningtons on a mission to find nude colored underwear. I kind of failed at that mission, to be honest, because there was nothing in my size. I needed 3X nude briefs. Simple as that. You know when you get to the point where like your underwear is worn out and it's like falling down as you walk? That is what's happening to my nude underwear. So if you ever see me out in public and I'm like walking a little weird and like pulling my butt, that's probably what's happening, is I'm trying to keep my underwear up. So just like avert your eyes and pretend you didn't see me, cause yeah, it's embarrassing. Anyway, I managed to only buy 1 pair of nude underwear and a bunch of other underwear that isn't nude, but you know, I might show it to you anyway. Let's just get into it. First thing, I'm going to show you the item I bought that is not underwear. So I bought this like cornflower blue tank top. It's a bit of a V-neck and it's really long, so I got this in a 5X. I have a tank top in black exactly like this. I didn't even need to try this on. But it was in the clearance for an extra 40% off, so I was like, yeah, I need a tank top for a video that I'm doing, and I'm going to not tell you what that video is about, but it's a sewing video, so you know, get excited. It's very exciting to me. So I needed a tank top because I don't want to ruin my black one that I have because I really like wearing it, and so this I bought to cut up because I couldn't find one in my size in a thrift store that was cheaper, and I plan to still wear the tank top when the video is done. So alright, first pair of undies. This is actually a thong. I'm not particularly fond of thongs, that's a hard sentence to say, but I kind of got these for more along the shape, so like they're not too bad, I guess, but I needed them for part of that video with the tank top, and they're more to get like the shape of things, so yeah, that's awkward, but whatever. I mean, I'll probably still wear them. Who knows? The rest of these are pretty much all the same shape. I just got them because I like the pattern, so I got these gray ones. They have little like checkered 8-bit hearts or something on them. I don't know. But they were cute. Basically, you know, it's getting to the time where you gotta replace all the basics, you know? Ooh, I liked these ones. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, gray is my favorite color. So these ones have tiny little polka dots on them, which I'm obsessed with polka dots at the moment. I just haven't found any shirts with polka dots on it that I like, so underwear will have to do. Okay, 2 more pairs. So these ones are kind of out there. They have a flamingo printed on them. It's only one on the hip, but I just thought they were super cute and a nice bright fun color for summer. I don't know, do you get summer underwear? Who knows? Last pair were these ones, and they're just standard black with white printed triangles on them. Nothing special, nothing exciting, but I just thought I would share. Penningtons always does these deals where you can get like 5 pairs for $26 or something like that. That's what I did. Not a big deal. It was fun. Simple as that. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can find those online and put the links in the description. If I can, who knows. Yeah, that's it. That's all I've got for my haul. The next one, I promise, has much more things in it. But if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. And if you're looking for any links or anything like that, especially if you want to follow me on Instagram, it's just at Rebellious Clove. But my link is in the description, so check it out. And that's all I've got for you guys today. I'll see you next time. Bye!